Hi, welcome to Odoo Functional Training. My aim is to train Odoo end user and public about Odoo and its features. I am Sriram Yadav, founder and CEO of Engos Technology. I have 5+ years of experience in Odoo. Odoo is a business management software including CRM, e-commerce, billing, accounting, manufacturing. The community version is the open source version, anyone can use it. The enterprise version is supplemented by proprietorship license.
Let's discuss about Odoo CRM. First of all, we need to understand what is CRM. CRM is a customer relationship management software. It is an approach to interaction with current and potential customers. It uses data analysis about our customer, their histories and everything to generate leads and generate the revenue. Now let's see what is lead. Lead is an individual who might become your customer but currently isn't. One more term used in CRM is called opportunity. So opportunity can be a possibility of sales of service or a product and can be result from a bid, invitation, sales deal or from a trade fair or anything. Now let's see what is pipeline. Pipeline is a process or pipeline is an approach to go through our sales process. If we talk about our sales cycle, it contains multiple stages as we see new, qualified, proposition, won. Let's discuss a bit about these stages and how they work. So, before that, let's see how to create a lead. For this option, for lead generation, we can activate these leads from settings. Once we activate this setting, it can be available here. We can create leads from here and we can define multiple details here like profitability, company name, contact name. It can be all the details of our potential customer. Here we can write some description and we can save it. Once we receive any response from our potential customer, we create it to an opportunity or we convert to an opportunity. To convert an opportunity, we need to assign a salesperson or a sales team. Here we can select more options like we can create a new customer or we can link to an existing customer or we do not link to create to a customer. We can create the opportunity. Now let's discuss the stages in pipeline. So basically there are these stages. Let's see how they work. In new stage, opportunity is just received from lead management or created from a cold call campaign or customer interest is not yet confirmed. So here we may see the customer success rate is 5% approx. Now we see what is qualified stage. When our opportunity come to qualified stage, suppose in new stage we just receive an opportunity from anywhere like lead management software or from cold call or these things. Now in qualified, prospect, business and workflow are understood, pains are identified and confirmed, budget and timing are known. In all the situation, we move our opportunity to qualified stage. Here the success rate will become 15%. In new stage it will approx 5%. When it will be a qualified stage it will become 15%. Proposition. The prospect received a quotation. This stage is where we have sent a quotation to prospect and they have received it. The success rate will become 50% here. In every stage, we can schedule an activities like we can schedule a meeting, we can schedule a call, email or to do anything. We can like schedule a call, discuss about quotation and negotiation. We can write the agenda of call here. And we can schedule activity. We can schedule multiple activities for a single opportunity. The same process is there. We can select the due date and everything. Based on this activity, Odoo can automatically remind us. We can see our leads and opportunity or meetings or any activities here, like it is showing one future. When we click here, we will see this due in today's call. We can mark it as a done. We can write feedback of the call and we can set it done. Here on the opportunity form, we can see all the details or all the activities. It is just like an history when it is created, what call was scheduled and all these things. Apart from that, we can set another details at any time. Now, we were talking about proposition stage. In proposition stage, as I told you, when prospect received a quotation, then the success rate will become 50%. We can add more stages here like negotiation. We can set this here. So, we can move this opportunity to negotiation stage to make it more clear. Here, the success ratio will become 75%. Now, let's see the last stage, won. In won stage, the prospect confirmed his quotation and received a sales order. Now, when we move this to a won stage, it means the prospect is become our customer now and he has confirmed the quotation. Now we can see one more feature here. At any time, if you lost any opportunity while working with them, so you can mark them as a lost. Here you can define the lost reason or you can set from existing one. Suppose you have multiple opportunities. Now you want to see the lost opportunity because by default you will not see the lost opportunity in your pipeline. So we can add a filter called lost. We can see all the lost opportunity and on which stage they have been lost. Apart from that, we can also restore them from here. Now let's see the reporting section. We can see the reports by pipeline and we can also see the lost and won opportunities report here. Now let's see how to generate leads from incoming emails and your website. To do this, first we will see how to generate leads or opportunity from incoming emails. To do this, let's activate the settings. We can activate the setting from here. We can set any alias like sales at the rate. We can configure an external email server. To configure the incoming emails, we need to activate the developer mode. Now, settings, in technical, we will see incoming mail server. Here, I have just configured this. Let's configure a new one. To configure incoming email server, we can set any name here like sales email. We can select server type based on our email provider. If we take example of Google, we can select POP server. We can set the server name. We can easily find the server name and these details from Google about Gmail. If you are using Gmail, then here you will see smtp and pop.gmail.com. You will set this username and password. You can set your username and password. Your port number for Gmail, pop port number 995. We activate these as suggested here, and here create a new record. We can select lead/opportunity. It will automatically create a lead or opportunity in our CRM. You can set password. Once you do this, you can test and confirm this. Once you click on test and confirm, you will see a success message. If you face any problem in configuring your incoming email server, you can contact us on info@pengos.com. Now, once you do this setting, any email you will receive on like sales@gmail.com or whatever, sales.company, my company, like this. All the emails you will receive on this email will create and lead an opportunity in CRM module. Now let's see how to create leads opportunity from website contact form. To do that, you need to install website module. And you can install contact form website_CRM module to create leads from website contact form. Now the website module is installed. Let's install contact form module. Here I search website. I see contact form is already installed. Now let's see how it will create a lead from website contact form. We go to website settings. Here we can select sales team and salesperson, administrator. Add a contact form in the contact us page. Here, so anyone who will fill this form, it will automatically create a lead in our CRM module. Let's see how. I open this to incognito. I go to contact us page. Here, suppose I fill any detail. The phone numbers are not correct, but your customer will fill the correct phone number. Your customer can set the email. And click send. Your message has been sent successfully. Now let's see in CRM how we will see this. Here we see that a lead is automatically created from our website contact us form. We can see all these details like contact name, email, phone number, company name, whatever details here. If we receive more discussion with this, we can convert this to an opportunity. We can send email from here to the customer directly. One more thing, to send outgoing emails to your customer from Odoo, you need to set up external email server. Let's see how we can set up external email server. It is one-time process. It is a simple, like you can send sales email. You can set SMTP server, you can find it here, smtp.gmail.com. For other email providers, you will find the details from them. You can select SSL, TSL and username and password. Once you save, you can test the connection. Once it is confirmed, you will be able to send emails from Odoo. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. For more details, any Odoo implementation, you can reach us at info@vengos.com.